Hey, what's up? This is Felicity here for After Effects tutorial channel, and welcome to another very exciting tutorial how to create 3D mobile in Adobe After Effects. So let's start. First, create a new composition and right here final comp. Don't forget, go to 3D render, select render to advanced 3D because advanced 3D enable or allow you to 3D models and materials, environment lightings, extrude, the most important option in this tutorial. Okay, so and now double click, go to import your mobile image. The first one is for front and for back. Go back to final comp, select one of these, drop here and press S for scale to 50%. And now select again, go to layer and go to auto trace. So turn off apply to new layer, current frame, click OK. And now select M for mask pad, select and go to edit. Take a copy and create a new shape layer. So right here rename it for what? Body. And now select expand, go to add, select the path, click again, select the fill, and now go to path, select path, go to edit, paste. Don't forget, press S scale 50% to size of mobile. And now select the body and turn on the 3D switch by pressing F4 to turn on 3D. This is very important because the 3D allow you to turn on geometry option, geometry, and there you can extrude the depth. It means go to top and there the depth make mobile. So set to 50%, I think it's enough. And now go back to fill, select the color of the mobile for body and go back to select active camera, close, select image, press P for the position, hold Ctrl on keyboard for slowly change the rates. And now go back to for front view, drop here, turn on 3D, press S for scale 50%. And now go back to top, hold Ctrl by pressing P, hold Ctrl, change the position to move front of the mobile. And now go back to select active camera. Okay guys, if you need to control to rotate the mobile, right click, go to create a new null object, make 3D, select these two images to parent link to body and select the body, parent link to null object and select the null object, press R for the rotation. So guys, there you can see the shadow front of the mobile, how to turn off the shadow, to turn on the light. Close all layers and find the front, select expand, go to materials, close transform, go to materials. So there is the metal, turn to 0 and let's see specular, diffuse, little bit more brighter, and don't touch on other options. And now close, take a look, go to second one here and go to null object, press R, change to 0, set here. Let's see, set there, stopwatch, go to 15 frames and rotate. So go back to 15 frames. So change again, go to 2 seconds, slowly rotate. Go back to 15 frames and rotate again. And now go to 3 seconds, slowly rotate. And now select all, turn on the motion blur, and trim your comp from here to here. Press space for the rotate. Not bad. Okay guys, and now create a new solid right here, background. Click OK. Select gradient ramp, change to radial, and change this one to dark blue, and change this one to change the first one to dark orange. Here is the dark orange, and another one change to bright orange, and swap colors, set to center, and select another point and move the background layer down here. Let's see. Click OK. Set another one to dark. Create another new solid, select bright, OK, right here, glow, and move it up. Select the pen tool, take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's set like this. Press M. Make fader and move a little bit far. Make more fader and move it down and close top of the background, and select again. Here is okay guys, thanks for watching. Let's play the result. Not bad. Have a good time. Good luck all of you.